you deal with interest, then make the adjustments. So that's how they're different. So here's what we see on number 42. We see that we have a $500 balance, 20% APR, annual interest, $400 payment. The month is 30 days long, 10 days for a payment to be received. So we start out with a balance of $500. And it says that we have a payment of $400. We don't have any purchases, nothing like that. But it says it takes 10 days for that payment to be received. So our balance stays $500 for 10 days, and then we have a payment. Now, if our month is 30 days long and those are the only two transactions that we have, then in order to add up to 30, we would need 20 more days. Remember, it's got to add up to the days in the month. So if this one tells us that our payment is received 10 days later, it means that our original balance stayed the same for 10 days. Then we add a payment. And if the month has 30 days in it, that means that that next thing that happened stayed that way for 20 days. So this one is 500 times 10. So 500 times 10 is 5,000. We had a payment of $400. So when that payment was made, we now have a balance of 100. 100 times 20 is 2,000. So 5,000 plus 2,000 is 7,000. And 7,000 divided by 30 comes out to $233.33. That is the average daily balance. So this is what our finance charge will be based on. So we will take the average daily balance, multiply it by the interest that they give us. Remember that 20% annual is 1.67% monthly. So we take 233.33 times 0.0167, and we get a finance charge of $3.90 if I round. Now, you go back to your last balance that you had. We started out with 500. We made a payment. This is the last balance that I had. That's what the finance charge gets added to. So my new balance is $103.90. And that's how average daily balance works. If you had purchases, you would add those in here too. With payments, you subtract them.